Are you trying to sit up? Yeah? See your little Bumby you're in? Can you sit up? Say hi. Oh, say hi to everyone. Say oh. Oh. Good job. You're a little lopsided. You're a little
he's working on it.
lopsided.
He'll get there.
There you go. There you go. Trevor on his little boy outfit today.
Yeah, I thought we already got that.
Good job. Keep practicing. We gotta practice. Gotta practice holding that head up. Good job. Can you say oh? 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 Oh?